What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So Bitcoin is bleeding. Gala is following, sitting at 0.02578, down 5% on the day. Market cap 828 million, 24 volume 77 million. So if we hop into the charts, as we can see here, we are starting to break down and lose that support. Let me pop over to this chart here. We're actually just testing that support right now. But as you can see from this wedge, we are starting to break down. Bitcoin also broke some key levels. So I am expecting Gala to come down to the low 2-cent range at least. We do have some support here about 0.024, but we could come a little bit lower, 0.023. As you can see, that technical target takes you right down to 0.022. So definitely a possibility for Gala, but what I'm expecting here is that you're still coming down in the wave 5 of the wave C. If we were to come down and break 0.02049, that would invalidate this as a leading diagonal, and that's when you could see a deeper pullback. Basically what's happening, what we're seeing here is the first pump to the upside off the bear market low, and then basically a very deep retracement, which creates a lot of fear in the market. Everybody thinks the coins are going to go to zero, and that's when the whales really take advantage. So I am expecting at least the low 2-cent range, but if we were to come all the way down and break 2 cents, it would invalidate this as a leading diagonal, and that's when you could drop back down into the 1-cent range, which would be absolutely insane for our friend Gala Games. That's the way it goes in cryptocurrency. There's max greed, and then they create max fear, and they scoop it up at the cheap prices while everybody panic sells. We've seen it time and again. But I am expecting at least a low 2-cent range for Gala. I have entered a short position, not for Gala Games, but for another coin. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Send me email after your first deposit. You get 10% back on your fees on every single trade. And I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis. Just gave a trade signal here, my crypto trades, as well as Forex trade signals. So trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, $10 a month, sign up to the Patreon. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.